Hello and welcome to How to Play Rock, Paper, Scissors, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover all aspects for how to play the game Rock, Paper, Scissors. The game is played with 2 players. The object of the game is to make a rock, paper, or scissors with your hand in an attempt to beat the rock, paper, or scissors that your opponent makes. Rock beats scissors, scissors beats paper, and paper beats rock. Both players will pump their fists to the cadence rock, paper, scissors, shoot. On shoot, each player will form one of the 3 options. Here, the player on the left beats the player on the right as paper beats rock. In a second match, the player on the right wins as rock beats scissors. If both players form the same thing, start the cadence to play again. That wraps up how to play rock, paper, scissors. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.